Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at Apex 2019 on the Scoop Studio, and I'm joined by David from Seica. David, thanks for stopping by to chat. Pleasure to talk to you. Seica seems to find itself in a real sweet spot in terms of, firstly, the importance of inspection and all the work you're doing in there, but also growth into the automation sector. What do you put that success down to, and what's going on here in the US for you guys at the moment?
Well, we see a lot of customers wanting to automate their products now, automate their process solutions. So a lot of Seica's products are all automated. If customers want to look at automation in the future, machines can be automated very easily after they've even bought the piece of original equipment. So it's very interesting. A lot of customers are seeing efficiencies by using automation. We're using cobots now to load and unload circuit boards onto our test equipment also.
Okay, and those cobots, are they developed internally? Are they white labeled and you're doing the integration? Where do you sit in that supply chain?
Yes, there's quite a few cobots on the market today, so instead of reinventing the wheel and designing our own cobot, we buy them from third party. We do the integration. We're closest to the customer, so we know what their concerns are, what their needs are. So we do a turnkey solution with the cobots.
Yeah, and I think that's interesting. When I look at the whole kind of collaborative robots thing, I felt very much it was looking for somewhere to be on the line. So actually someone with SMT experience like yourself, someone with contact with the customer, should be able to identify the need and then bring together the resources required. Is the demand very variable?
It is. It's not every customer looking to do that, but when customers are looking to do that to be more efficient, we bring that value. We bring that engineering expertise to integrate third-party equipment with ours on the line.
Yeah, and what do you think it is about Seica equipment that makes it easy to automate it? Is it the way the platform's designed? Is it a very open platform that allows you to naturally automate it?
It is open architecture. We do meet all the SMEMA and GEM standards for automation in several industries: semiconductor, board assembly, fab shops. And we have the expertise. We have over 30 years of software engineering experience and mechanical engineering experience. So our systems are very easy to integrate.
Yeah, and just drilling down on the inspection side, what's new in terms of inspection? What are the demands that are creating opportunities for you in that area?
In the Silicon Valley area in the U.S., we're seeing increased complexity of components, circuit boards. Some of the equipment, circuit boards, are ITAR or Mil-Aero, and they can't be, made in Asia, for example. But very high complexity is a niche spot for us right now. Yeah. We're testing boards with, 55 or more layers with over 10,000 components, with very small pads for flying probe. And we didn't see that like 10 years ago, yeah. So now we're seeing it.
Yeah, and that's a real shift, isn't it? And that's a real high demand complexity thing. Are those able to be tested on standard pieces of equipment, or are you having to build much in the way of custom equipment?
In regards to our flying probe, it's a standard machine with many different types of additional upgrade kits that can be added at the time of sale or even on site at the customer. Not all the customers need all the features of the flying probe, but we're ready when they have that requirement.
Yeah, and that's important. That gives them some kind of future-proofing, protection of their investment. They can buy something that's maybe a standard machine, but in the future upgrade if the demand's
exactly.
There. Yeah, absolutely. David, thanks very much for stopping by. Thanks for that overview of what Seica's doing, and best of luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.